I'm gonna install this dash cam on my motorcycle real quick. See how quick we can do it. This one doesn't have a monitor, it just has a little control unit, but this is just gonna get tucked under the seat. So this one will be more low profile. This rear camera is gonna go somewhere around here, and it's a little This is just gonna get outed under here. This is the power module. This has got ground, power, and then the yellow is the accessory line. So I'll just tie that to any other accessory line. Basically any line that goes high once the bike is on, so that I don't drain the battery. So this is the main module, and I just have some sticky tape. I'm going to stick it in here. And I'm doing it this way because the SD card's on this side, so I can still get the SD card out easily. The accessory line I'm going to use is in the tail, so I'm going to uncoil a bit more of this yellow. Here's the rear hookup. This one just connects to like a module that goes on your handlebars to take pictures, but I don't really care about that, so I'm not gonna hook it up. So now I just need to tie ground and power, and then the accessory line. So first I'll do ground, and then I'll do the accessory line, and then I'll do power. I'm going to use a Positap. These things are great. So that connects that side. You just screw in a spliced wire, and then this side you just put in the wire that you're going to tie to in here, and then you tighten it on it and it taps into it. Here you can see the lines that go to the tail light. This blue one I'm going to hook up to this yellow accessory line. Just like that, it's spliced.